about to have an update on Mario's all-wheel drive. The same thing that happened when I took my car there. They couldn't make it front-wheel drive. So we're calling them because we got 12 minutes to get there. I don't think we're going to make it in 12 minutes. So we're going to see if they'll stay a few minutes for us.
And he said he'd be there till 6, but I'm running maybe 5 minutes into 6. Is there any way you can put me through to him? Oh my gosh, dude. Point of going to the dealer at this point.
Yeah. Well, that was a fail. So now. Anyways, we're about to head back to Sheehy now and see the shop foreman there. I don't think he likes to do warranty stuff because I brought him my R32 that the Haldex didn't work and he couldn't get it to be front wheel drive, and now he's doing the same thing with Mario's car. Can't get it to act like front wheel drive. And if you see in the other video that we did, clearly that shit's front wheel drive. So they want us to come drive it because they can't make it act like front wheel drive. So we'll I guess we'll check back in when we're actually in the car. And I guess we're going to be driving around the shop foreman. We'll see if he likes the no-lift shift. He'll be like, oh, that's why, asshole. And
well,
I'm like,
maybe they didn't turn traction control off. That's honestly what I think.
That's what I think it is, too. But
we should get him in the car and get him to do it.
That's what I was going to say. You drive it first and tell us why you can't figure out why it's in front-wheel drive. You're a fucking
and don't
shop
say
foreman.
Don't say a damn thing.
We should. You tell him.
Wait, nah, you do it.
No.
I don't like talking. I don't like talking.
Just like I wanted to know what you did and you couldn't figure out that it wasn't front wheel drive because it's pretty fucking obvious to us.
How is he a shop foreman?
And we're not master mechanics like you, guy.
Yeah, we didn't go to school for a long time. Neither did you. I barely finished high school.
Shit, I've been in school a long fucking time. So anyways, we'll check back in, I guess, when we figure out the next step in this process. After Mario rear-ends all these motherfuckers. God damn it. He was kidding. There was so much space. We were fucking around. Alright.
No, I didn't even touch this car. Maybe the touch.
Oh my God,
car,
man.
okay?
See, this is the problem. Because they told us that you couldn't figure it out. And we're like, you're a shop foreman, can't get the car to slip. So, all right, let's see.
All right, show us what you would do if you were trying to get this joint to slip. You're not going to drive it wrong, so don't worry.
Yeah, we're not judging you on that. We're just trying to figure out why we had to come up here.
What code you get and what is?
It said Haldex pump failure, malfunction.
Well, how that pump failure is going to be that pump in the back is not going to be pumping and not going to be grab the wheel.
Right.
Yeah,
that's what we're saying.
Okay, like I said, they say there's no code, no nothing, and I say just drive with the customer.
I think we just got off on the wrong foot because it almost felt like you were telling us that the car's supposed to burn out until it engages.
Yeah.
Well, you put this. What I know the car, this high clutch, you could not all time four-wheel drive.
No. It's
right.
60%, like I say, 60% is
front wheel drive
bias up until you get really slip. That's when the bike gonna bias on.
But see, our thing is that it happens so fast. It happens so fast that you can't physically see
that. Yeah,
right.
But you had some code in there. It should be.
When I brought it here,
there was a code. We left it on there and everything.
We didn't clear it. We didn't do nothing. We left it. We brought it here with the code so you guys could see it. And someone cleared it apparently.
I don't know the clear or what. I don't know. But like I said,
I just brought my bag home.
They tell me. You see, they asked me to drive with you. That's what.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know, man. I'm just going off what they told us.
See, when something like this, you're not going to be.
Yeah, that's not a hard enough.
It's not hard enough to see the body in the rear wheel to buy, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You gotta get it.
Okay, put this way. Dry it up.
Huh?
Okay. Dry it.
Drive it.
Okay. Few days. Pull the coat out. If the coat is there, bring
I
back
can,
the
I
seal.
can, I can get that gym to come on right now.
Okay. Go ahead.
Just do it, Andy.
Yeah.
Me or you?
You.
Can we show you one more time? We're gonna show you one more time.
One more time. Let's go straight.
See, we were under the impression that they were like, they had talked to you and told you that.
Yeah, they were telling us that you
You-
drove it, couldn't get it to happen. You
No,
don't see
I
any
don't
codes.
because
You should tell them not to
Do
not
that
to
to you.
do that, because we were thinking like, oh, the shop foreman doesn't know what he's talking about. You know what I mean? You should tell Jonah to make sure he's got his facts straight before he goes putting you out there.
that's what I said. What I know. While all that, they tell me to drive with the customers. It's okay.
Yeah.
We were just like totally both on the wrong foot.
Yeah.
Because the way they think it requests, because it requests that a take. That's what I'm not involved in. They say, see.
See, so like what you were saying, if Haldex would engage, it would have gone. But instead, it just did a burnout the whole time. You know what I mean?
Well, that's I understand that, but you know, it's, I'm trying to see what the code is, what's going on, and this get that.
Yeah, because I was under the impression that it's supposed to squat and go. It'll do a little burnout, or it'll like chirp the wheels, but it shouldn't keep.
Bouncing off the rev limiter.
Yeah.
I can tell you what the code was in it when we
You see this a lot on these cars?
Yeah.
happened to mine and his other car.
Yep.
Well, you're gonna be that way. Gonna be that. It's not a racing car, you know.
Oh, really?
Yes.
R doesn't mean racing.
Nah, not racing. You
Oh, okay.
You just get one out there. You've been.
So if you're trying to get on the highway, you shouldn't accelerate. You should
Well,
just,
I say shouldn't
you should
normally.
just ask everybody to stop. You should be, hey, hold on, I'm getting on the highway, please, everybody.
And you know, it's to get that racing. That's what it's about.
Wow, no car should ever be floored, Mark.
Mm.
You've been driving cars wrong a whole lot. So this is the update video on Mario's Haldex. I never got the answer to what the version was. It's still the current one, so whenever we get under the car again to look, we'll get you that part number. But I'm sure it's the not updated one. But anyways, the dealership finally, after the clip you just saw, they finally decided to replace the Haldex pump. So we'll see if that keeps it working. But I've heard that people get the Haldex pump replaced and then it still goes out again. So mine, I think, ended up being the pump too, because when you turn the flanges, the input still turns. So I don't think the actual like ring gear is bad or anything. It's probably just the pump, and it's a typical part that fails on the early 16s and the 2015s. They revised it after that, but actually, real quick, I'll see if I can reach under the car and see what part number it is. Man,
You got some balls, boy.
why?
Getting under there.
Why?
On the ground, on this cold ground.
Cold.
Uh oh, here we go.
It's not. Oh damn. Oh, fuck you.
He's committed.
I hit my
For you
face.
guys, look at this shit.
Hold on, I'm gonna record because I can't actually get my face past the muffler.
Okay.
Video.
Video? I'm OBA. Hey, what would happen if I turn it on right now?
I burn my nipples. Yo. Oh, my fucking neck. Oh shit, that hurt. It's H, which I think is the old version. Let's check mine. Oh goddamn it, my shoe's not tight. Let's see what my old one is. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's dirty as fuck, man. This one is F. I think that one was H. I'll have to look again. This one is F. And the pump, or the ECU, the Haldex ECU is D. And the pump, I don't know if it has a part number. It does, but it's under there. I don't really care.
Yeah, we're gonna have to look at all that later. It's too cold for that shit.
It's not cool.
You wild. Fuck out of here. I just rolled the fuck out of my ankle.
Shouldn't do that, it hurts.
The problem is it doesn't hurt and I can continuously do it.
Alright, that's gonna be it for this one.
Stay tuned for the next one.